the tree is. Wow. That's my car right there. My car was saved by about 10 feet. Pretty much. Look at the root. Came off completely. Look at the height of the tree. It's huge. It's almost to the second floor height from the ground.